Hi, Michael.
Hello.
This video will be used for educational purpose. Is it okay?
Yes.
Okay. Michael, could you please tell me about a pain issue?
Yeah, the pain has been very, very severe
Whereabouts is it?
in the whole entire stomach.
Yeah. So,
The entire
so
length
what operation you have, Michael?
for AAA aneurysm.
Okay. And is the pain after the surgery continued?
After the oh yes, yes.
And tell me a little bit more about it.
The pain level was about 8 and 9, and I've had that for 1 year, 9 months,
Yeah.
2 weeks, 5 days,
Yeah.
and 13 hours to be exact when you put that last needle in me. I've been to my doctor and they kept saying, well, it was a big operation to be positive, so I'm trying to be positive, but you know, a year went to 12 months, 13 months, and I kept going back to my doctor to the point where I actually asked my doctor 3 times for euthanasia. 3 times. And the doctor says, well, we don't really do that here. And I said, I don't really worry about where you do it. I don't care if you do it next door. Just do it, because the pain is too much. I can't handle it. I can't pick my kids up. I can't walk. It's 24 hours a day, constant.
And what about pain medication?
I can't remember what the pain medication, the tablets they gave me, but they increased their dosage, and I tried that again for about a month. That didn't work. I went back to my doctor, said it doesn't work, and that's when I asked, I think the second or third time, for euthanasia, because nothing was working.
Yes. And how is your pain now?
I'm a happy man. There's no pain.
Yes, that's good. So the pain that we treated was exclusively in the abdominal wall.
Oh yes, yes.
Right? And how is the procedure of the pain? The pain procedure, is it painful or is it tolerable?
A little bit, but you know, when you had so much pain, that was really nothing, doctor. You know?
Yes. Are you happy with the outcome?
Oh yes, yes.
What is your message for doctors and patients?
I think doctors need to look at some other, different ways about doing this rather than giving painkillers constantly. And if a patient goes back and says it's not working, they should look at different alternative methods of what's happening. And in this case, it was nerve entrapments.
Yes.
And no one mentioned it to me for 1 year, 9 months. So,
Yes. Thank
until
you.
I saw you.
Yes. Thank you very much.
That's all right.
And this will be used in the conference and
Yeah.
also educating other doctors
Yes,
and patients.
definitely.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.